Good morning, class. Before we start our lesson, I would like to call Andy to lead the prayer. So, Andy, please lead the prayer in the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Very good. So today, I would like to, I before you sit, lean under your chair and pick up the pieces of paper. If you will done, please be seated. So before I start our lesson, I check the attendance. So very good. No one is absent our class day. So let's proceed the our topic. But before our topic, I would like to a short review and what was our lesson last meeting. Very good. It's all about round numbers. So today we will learn on how round numbers from tens, hundred, thousand, and guys, you are ready? I mean class, you are ready? So let's start the first. Let's start the rounding off the nearest tens. Okay, rounding can be done for every place value of the number. The round off a number to the nearest 10, we round off to the nearest multiple of 10. So, number one rule for the nearest 10. Number one, rounding off to the nearest 10, while the rounding off to the nearest 10 if the digit is the unit place in between 0 to 4 greater than lower than 5, then the unit replace by 0. So rule number 2, if the digit in the units place in the 5 to 9 or but 10, then the unit place is replaced by 0 and tens place increased by 1. And then here the example. So I have here two example and I read the sample number 1. So we 42 to 40. So we see the digit in the digit one place is 3. Now round to the nearest multiple of 10, which is smaller than the number, hence 43 is nearer to the 40 than 50. So let's proceed to the rounding off of to the nearest hundreds. So rule number 1 for the rounding off to the nearest hundreds. So number 1, while rounding off to the nearest hundred, if the digit is the tens place by is between 4 to 5 0 to 4, or then replace is by 0. So sorry my ano. And the rule number 2, if the digit is the unit place is to or 25, then the tens place is replaced by 0, and then the hundreds place is increased by 1. And then here the example. May I read the example number 1. So we see the digit in the tens place is 2. An example of the nearest tens, 800 is 142 to 100. So we see the digit in the tens placed by is 2. We round to the nearest multiple of 100, which is less than the 100 place, the 100 number. Hence, the 42 is nearer than 120 than 20. So let's proceed to the thousands. Rounding off to the thousand number. Rounding to the nearest thousands. So the rule of rounding off to the nearest thousand is, while rounding off the nearest thousand, if the digit into the hundred place is between 0 to 4, greater than 5, then the hundreds place is replaced by 0. Okay, the rule number 2, if the digit in the hundred place is equal to, yes, to the greater than 5, Then the 100 place is replaced by 0. And then the 1,000 replaced by, increased by 1. So, let's have a game. So, this code game is Can You Find Me? Okay, class. I have write the number of the number cards on the board. Do you understand? Okay. So, question number 1. Which number can be down to the 50? Very good. Number 2. Who wants to answer number 2? Okay. Which number can be rounded up to 60? Very good. Number 3. Who wants to answer number 3? Okay. Which number can be rounded down to 8? Very good. So, let's proceed to number 4. Which number can be rounding up to the 700? Class, very good. That's the answer. And the number 5 is, which 3-digit number then can be rounded down to 500? Very good. Okay, class, now. Thank you, class, for participating in the game. And let's clap ourselves for doing the great job. Very good, class. Resolve outstanding today. So, I have a question. The question is, how do we round off numbers? Yes, Andy. Very good, Andy. Nice answer. So, I have a quiz today. So, get one for sheet of paper and answer the following. Okay, you're done, class. Please pass your paper forward. Who get the highest score? Very good. Give him a nice clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, clap pala yun, sorry. And then, I have an assignment today, class. I hope na next meeting you will answer my assignment. So I hope you have learned today